Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been quite some time since my last DIY video. Many of you are aware that I did go back to school, and that could be a different video where I can talk a little more, but let's go ahead and get started with this one. We're going to pick up one of the macrame from Dollar Tree, the macrame plant holder. And with this video, forgive me, I did forget to click record, or I thought I clicked it, I guess. So the footage is not here, but we're going to get it together. Here we have this glass floral bowl, and this is also known as the fish bowl. So we're going to take those two and then glass gems, and we're going to put it all together to get this gorgeous solar hanging out. You can put plants in here, but you can use it for solar lights. And look at that. Look just how it reflects onto the wall. It looks amazing at nighttime, and the macrame is super easy to put together. Did take it a step further, and I glued the macrame like pieces onto the glass itself so the glass doesn't fall out or anything. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I might make a few and put them in my pathway. Till next time, love you all. Bye.